All right, besties, it's time for haircuts for besties. Now, if you came from the 90s and you are a black woman, how many of these styles have you had? I'll go first. I've had this ponytail one right here. I've done it myself. I have not had this one right here that look like a mug guy. Now, the one next to it, I've had that. The one at the top right-hand corner, not so much. So that gives me a whopping total of 2. Good. Let's see this other hairstyle. All right, friend. I got another one for you. I know it's a 90 throwback, and this one, I already know it's a French roll. Now, if you remember French rolls, let me know in the comments. I really like the way they did this. I'm not sure if this is her hair or a lace. All right, friend. This is going to be real creative. Everybody's so creative. This is supposed to be 90s themed. So I just want to know, what thoughts do you have so far? So far. Because I know. Now, this is how we used to do curly ponytails back in the day. When we first started with weave, you would roll them on the rollers with setting lotion, put it in the microwave, and you had permanent curls. This is a Lil' Kim throwback. All right, besties, it's your turn. You tell me, what was your favorite throwback hairstyle? The first, or hairstyles, because the first one had a whole bunch of them. The first one, the second one, or the third one. All right. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. And thank you for tuning in to Haircuts and Hairstyles for Besties.